Welcome to Curate. My name is Chef Royal. Today we want to talk about two of our favorite products, GET tableware and Grow and Tilt skillets. Earlier today, we were able to do a turkey sloppy Jane, which we call Stealth Health. One we're able to do large production at affordable cost and easy cleanup. With GET, we've got the flat tray, the segmented tray, stackability, washability, and durability. So let me take some of that sloppy Jane and plate it up for your group. Now that's a lunch that everybody would enjoy.